Alright, this is the current, at least a couple hours ago, the category outlook, for the area. The high risk has shifted somewhat. Mississippi is out of it, as are Arkansas and Louisiana. It's now entirely within Alabama, but Birmingham is still in it, as well as Tuscaloosa. Mobile is in the enhanced risk, but almost in the moderate. Pensacola, Gulfport, Biloxi still have an enhanced risk. New Orleans, as of right now, has a slight risk. It looks like Tallahassee doesn't have any real threat until at least tomorrow morning. This is valid until, I believe, 6 a.m. local time tomorrow morning. And then Memphis is just about done for the evening and into tomorrow morning, as is Middle Tennessee. And then the slight risk has also moved over to the Missouri Boot Heel and northeastern Arkansas, including the city of Jonesboro, and it just misses Paducah and Owensboro in Kentucky. So, let's see. This is from 9 to 10 p.m., so this would be ongoing right now in the New Orleans area and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. This is in effect until midnight Central Time, which is 1 a.m. my time, tornado watch. And separate tornado watch until 3 a.m. Central Time. Severe threat expected to continue. Looks like they reissued the tornado watch here in northern Mississippi, western Tennessee, northwest Alabama, east central Arkansas with another one, and then a situation in southern Missouri. Springfield is right about there at the edge of this severe threat. Cross tornado watch number 34 expected to decrease. I believe this from a few hours ago. So that will be it for the weather updates for today. So stay safe if you live anywhere in these areas, and maybe I'll be back tomorrow with more.